Okay, welcome back. We're about to film with the tape measure how much snow exactly we got on Grandpa's car. So, Carter's got the tape measure. You can see. Okay, so this is where we plowed part of the driveway. You can see there's the mountain. And this is what's left around the car. So we got to dig the car out, and we're gonna see how much snow we got just in today's storm. So, what do you guys think? Curtis just peeled the door open.
Measure somewhere where you can see it, Carter. Well, it's...
Oh my gosh.
I mean, I'll just go till I hit the hard snow, because that was what
Okay.
we did before. That's 24 there.
About 24 inches. Well, we thought about 2 feet. Maybe a little bit more in some spots, but that's what we were guessing about. So, it's definitely a lot of snow. But again, we're happy that it's light and fluffy, because last time it was heavy and wet and we lost power for 24 hours. So it's good to have nice, light, fluffy snow. So we're gonna try to dig out this car now. I'm gonna film while we dig it out. Okay, here we go. We're gonna get started with digging out the car. Okay, so right now we're gonna see how this car comes out of that snow, if we've dug it out enough, and then if not, we'll have to dig a little more. It is a Volkswagen all-wheel drive, so she should be able to get out of this snowbank. Oh, there's a little bit. Oh, she's coming out. Oh, no issue at all. Nice. Come on, Grease. That's the dog. She's in the way. Perfect. Now we have room to push some of the snow back, and then we'll be able to get Caleb's van out. Right now, we just dug Grandpa's van out, and as you can see, again, completely covered, 2 feet or more of snow. So it does. It's crazy. So we'll get this uncovered, and then we'll have more places that we can push the snow out of the way. Just lots of digging out going on.
I have to re-dig around the day after.
Yeah, so obviously you can see where we just dug that car out. Everything's gonna need to be replowed. Luckily we have our own plow, so it's not a problem.
She wants nothing to do with it.
She doesn't know what to do.
I think she's cold now. She's been out here for a while.
You can't see her over the snow anymore. She tried to run up there with you, but she couldn't see over them. Gracie! Gracie, where's Curtis?
Go get him.
Come on, Gracie! Gracie! Come on! Come on, Gracie! Come on! This way! This way! Come on! This way! Gracie, come on! This way! This way! Come on! Gracie! Come on! This way! Come on!
Get him.
Gracie! Come on!
Get him.
Gracie!
Get him.
Fine. Gracie!
Is she coming back?
She probably ate it over there. She were on that corner kind of hot.
Window? Maybe not. No, I guess it's
Grease. Oh, there she is. A lot of snow. Here she comes, here she comes. There she goes.
She's like, no one's living in the house.
All right, so basically we've got the bulk of the van uncovered. As you can see, it's all on the driveway. We need to replow, but at least now, again, we have places to push the snow. I'll just give you a shot of the driveway. So we plow this whole area out here because we have our firewood operation all covered in snow at the moment. And you've probably seen my son Caleb's videos. I will link his YouTube channel down below so you can check him out. But he's usually the one working out here with the firewood. So you can see just the tail end of the wood pile sticking out of all this snow. And you can't see anything else. You can't see the wood splitter completely buried, conveyors buried, trailers buried, and the snowbanks after just our second snowstorm of the year are quite high. So I want to say, I'll give you a view. With me, you can see almost as tall as I am with the snowbank. So pretty crazy for our second storm. Then as we look over this way, you can see our RV and excavator all covered in snow. So definitely, even though it's light and fluffy, we will be out here with a roof rake trying to get some of the snow off the RV and trailer so that nothing caves in on the top. Again, it is light and fluffy, so we don't really have to worry too much, but there's the back of the house. You can see the covered part of the porch, and then the entire rest of the length of the house is a new deck, so that's what we were just shoveling. The big construction there in the middle is a wood-fired pizza oven. You've probably seen Caleb's videos as well, with us cooking wood-fired pizza, so you'll have to check those out too. So lots more digging out to be done, but we'll get there. Okay, we're gonna just finish up moving some vehicles around and then wait for my husband to get back with the plow. You guys have a great rest of your day, and we'll see you soon. Hopefully you didn't get as much snow as we did here.